What's up, guys? Mark from the Jeep Lab. We just did the install on a 2019 Jeep JL Rock Slide Engineering steps and body armor. We'll take a look here. Here is the finished product. So as you see, we went ahead and did this body armor, different from the actual armor that attaches. There's another plate. We're not running that on this kit, but we did this body armor here that attaches with nut certs. Pretty simple install on that. We did run into an issue with these new bodyguard fenders with the flare design, so we actually had to take the fenders off to install this here. As you can see how close it is in the picture. So I'm still able to run everything and everything lines up fine. Just needed some room to get that drill in there straight for the drill bit. All these bolts went in through the first layer. This top one, there's about 3 layers of metal, kind of similar to the JK, so take your time with that. If not, that nut cert's gonna have a little bit of issues fitting. But we did that. And then the sliders here, of course, you remove the factory bolts that are on here, the 2 of them with a 10 millimeter. These hook in, you got washers and nuts go on the back side. And then you loosen up the 3 body bolts, put your brackets on, attach everything. Pretty simple install. And then the wiring harness goes through. So you can see here, whoop, open up the door, they drop down. We're not running the light kit on these. If you are running doorless, this is where we went ahead and put it. There's room under this plastic for the bottom side of the button. Close those, go back, and then open on the inside. We put the button right here. Same thing between the carpet. There's a space for room for the button. Wires are ran across there under the back seat. So overall, didn't take too long at all. Everything fit great. Everything went together. All the parts were included. Super good instructions from Rock Slide Engineering guys, like color pictures, nice videos online. So hit us up if you have any questions on installing these on your Jeep JL.